Say, back to you, sir.
USL 2 Alpha Whiskey 01476. Good morning, my name is Mark, and my number is 181. 181. My location, Central France. Back to you.
Hey, QSL, very good, very good. 14 Delta X-Ray 181, very good. Operator name on this end is Ken, Kilo Echo November. We located in the state of Tennessee, USA, North America. Back to you, sir.
Yeah, QSL Ken for the state of Tennessee. Your radio 5 signal out here in Central France, about 200 miles south from Paris, capital. Well, looks like time is 4.
Hey, QSL, very good, very good. 14 Delta X-Ray 181. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, very good, 100%. Operator name is Ken, and the working conditions on this end is a President Jackson. We have a President Jackson export radio and working off a Antron 99 antenna there. Back to you, QSL. Hey, QSL on the ICOM 706, very good radio, very good radio. I enjoy the ICOM radios. I used to have a few of them, and I need to kind of get me another one there because I've heard some good operators come over from Europe here the past couple days talking on the ICOMs. They're very good radios there. I did not catch your personal on that end. Personal is Ken on this end. Back to you, sir. QSL, Mark, very good. Their conditions seem to be dropping off a little bit at the moment. I'm not sure if they're going to drop completely out. Their propagation has opened up very, very well this morning. Glad to see the countries coming in of Europe. It's been quite a while since I made a trip over there. Past couple of days, conditions have been very, very good. Mark, Ken, back to you, sir. Go ahead. QSL, Mark. Well, I'll tell you, I believe conditions are going to fall out on us. I got most of that, but I didn't get all of it. And I do believe that the conditions are going to change, but it's been a pleasure. It definitely has been a pleasure on this end making a contact with you over in the country of France. They're very good, Mark. And good luck on your DX. At the moment, conditions are rough, but when you first came in, conditions, you came in very, very strong. So maybe conditions will just kind of go up and down, and you'll be able to get back up in there again. Very good signal here at, when you first keyed up. And but Mother Nature is going to change on us, it looks like. I'm going to send all the numbers over to you. 73 from my house to yours. It's been a pleasure, Mark. Take care and have yourself a good luck on your DX. 14 DX 181 out there in France. Mark, we thank you. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We'll be QSY on your final, sir. I lost him, man. Okay, Mark, very good. Catch you later. Take care.